Hey there, this is Skybridge Property Group going to give you a virtual tour of this beautiful home at 23820 Bower Place in Diamond Bar. So just so you know, the entry is through the side, so you're gonna have to pull this gate open. Do pull it open, it pulls open easily, there's no lock. And the lock, or the lock box, because we do self-tours here, is actually on the front door. So you're gonna open up this lockbox with a code or temporary code. So yeah, just giving you that heads up. 2-car garage, washer dryer included. And yeah, let's take you in. Just beautiful in here, fireplace. We do self-tours, so beware of scams. Not that you will get scammed, but the only number that should be contacting you is that of one from Showing Hero, or if you want to reach us, you could reach my direct line 949-887-8103. But yes, this home does it does come with a stove and refrigerator. Just look at the finishes, just really nice. One of my favorite single family homes this year. And this is extra sunroom outside. Just letting you know, there is an AC unit in here, but it's not functioning. If you want to fix it or replace it yourself, that's up to you, but the owner will not be fixing or replacing this unit. Just throwing that out there. But everything else, you know, of course, if it's not in working condition, it will be, fixed. But everything should be in working condition. Otherwise, it's a great home. The owner just got a new fence installed. You could see that all around the back property, looking really nice. Landscaping is included. It will be, it does get hot here, so the grass is just like this, but the landscaping is included. So here we have the side of the home, and let me take you inside. Here is that front door area. Right now it's a coded entry. We will look into getting it fixed, or you could use the code if that suits you. But here's your living area. Check out these bathrooms, really nice. You're gonna get a really nice home for the price that you're paying, $3,500, I believe, around that ballpark. And to let you know, the home will be deep cleaned prior to move in. It's not 100% clean right now, although it does look cleaner than some of the other homes we have showcased. It will be deep cleaned prior to move in. Just letting you know. This is the master. That's Hash from Skybridge Property. And yeah, here you have the master bath. So yeah, you have your own entrance as well from here into the backyard. If you are interested, come and schedule a self-tour, walk the property, check it out. If you want to apply, you can apply right after, and we can move you in right after. So let us know. We make everything easy at Skybridge Property Group. Looking forward to having you. Thank you.